Here is the completed scroll saw Jesus crosses. I think they turned out real good. I used 1/4 inch material for the front piece and the back piece. I think they turned out real good. I got a stencil as a result of stack cutting. I like to do this to save a ton of printer ink instead of running back and forth, printing out patterns and wasting ink. I just use some of this dollar store poster board when I can and sandwich it in between projects, especially when I stack cut. I really like to do that. All that's left to do to finish this project is add the spray lacquer. It is a very muggy day outside and dreary, and you can't spray with a chance of rain out there because you have to have drying time. So what I'm going to do is wait for it to clear up, go out there and spray it. Hopefully it clears up soon. This pattern is available as a free download on Steve Good's scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com website if you want to try this project. Remember guys, if I can make it, you can make it. Always challenge yourself with new projects and new techniques. That is all for this video. Yes, I am a pirate, and yes, I believe in God. That is all for this video. Please continue to like and share my videos. If you haven't, please click that Jolly Roger floating down here in the corner somewhere to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Take care, and as always, God bless.